This is the SL31 Mini Up Light. We were really one of the pioneers in creating the frenzy and the trend in the mini landscape lighting luminaire market. As a lighting designer, I'm typically going smaller, softer. I'm trying to hide the luminaire. I want it to blend into the landscaping. I want it to blend into the architecture, so I don't want a large luminaire. Back in the old days, we used a lot of MR8s, MR11s, and this really goes along with that old tradition of smaller lights that we could really hide. I use this light in so many applications. I use it on second stories. I use it on smaller shrubberies. Anywhere where I have a luminaire that is really small and produces a beautiful light. So this has a 97 plus CRI, so beautiful light output. That CRI makes such a difference. You're gonna see other manufacturers finally start focusing on light quality, but as a lighting designer, that's the #1 thing we look at is great light quality. It has a built-in glare guard. This can be taken off and removed. You do lose lumen output with the glare guard, but we're always trying to hide glare coming off of the lights. We want to hide where the light source is coming from. What's special about this light is the light output and the compact size. So it's adjustable from 300 lumens all the way down to 30 lumens. Having those options to go all the way down to that 30 lumens and field adjust it very easily really sets you apart. It does have the serviceability. It's an integrated fixture that is serviceable. So this light could be on the second story and give you 10, 12 plus years of usefulness. And when the electronics or the LED go out, we simply replace either of those components and you can continue using this great light. It does have the heavy duty stake, which is oversized for a light this small, but we never want it to move. This light does come with a locking nut built into it. That's gonna be used a lot of times when you're using it on a surface mount. It's a single source LED with a premium optic, a wide array of light control and light intensity. At Sterling Lighting, we design our products to produce beautiful light and to last a lifetime. This SL31 needs to be in your repertoire of lighting design, and this product is built to last, and you're going to love using it on your lighting design projects.